Really, really great stuff, champ.
Man.
You're bringing really incredible nature stories to the small screen.
Yeah, I feel that.
But I think there's a couple story things that aren't super clear to the average viewer.
Oh, okay. Like what? Do you have?
I think we just explain it with a little bit of voiceover.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I can see that.
And we're rolling. Ready if you are.
Fuck these elephants, man. Give us back our fucking watering hole. What's your problem? God damn it, guy.